Welcome to Gamified EduTech, where learning meets fun. Today, we're excited to showcase one of our popular resources, Converting Units of Measurement, Metric Conversion Practice Worksheet. With 6 worksheets, each featuring 20 engaging problems and pixel art reveals like an eagle flying by a canyon, a bear wearing a doctor's uniform, or a lion reading a book in a library, this digital tool makes mastering metric conversions exciting for students. Let's dive into what it offers. Available in our Gamified EduTech store, this resource is a digital activity built in Google Sheets. It focuses on converting metric units of length, mass, and volume. Think meters to centimeters, kilograms to grams, or liters to milliliters. Students solve each problem and enter their answers to reveal a mystery pixel art image, such as a tiger wearing a scarf playing in the snow, or a parrot by a tree with a snowy mountain background. The pack includes 6 worksheets, each with 20 self-grading problems, totaling 120 questions to build fluency in metric conversions. What sets this resource apart? First, it's self-checking. Correct answers unlock parts of the pixel art, while incorrect answers prompt students to try again. No grading needed. Second, it's highly engaging. Watching fun scenes like a rabbit happily running in the snow or a bear in a doctor's uniform come together keeps students motivated as they work through each conversion problem. Third, it's no prep. Simply share the Google Sheets link, and it's ready to use in classrooms, homeschooling, or remote learning. This is education with a gamified edge from Gamified EduTech. Here's how it works. Assign 1 worksheet, 2 or all 6, each with 20 problems and a unique pixel art design, from an eagle soaring over a canyon to a rabbit in the snow. To customize, make your master copy, create a secondary copy of the worksheets, and delete any you'd assign next time. Students open it in Google Sheets, solve the metric conversion problems, and enter their answers. If correct, the picture begins to form. Designed for 4th to 5th grade learners, it's also great for younger students needing a challenge or older ones seeking review. Use it for homework, math centers, or a fun practice session. This resource also includes an answer key for easy reference, though its self-checking design simplifies the process. At Gamified EduTech, we're committed to creating tools that make learning fun. Want to bring this to your students? Visit our Gamified EduTech store. Find the link in the description below. Discover this and more to gamify your educational journey. Thank you for watching. If you liked this preview, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more from Gamified EduTech. Elevate learning with our resources. See you next time.